Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to be checking out Stone's latest Enjoy by 10/31/22. This beer comes in at a 9.4% ABV, at 52 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 4.03. Is here to haunt your beer fridge with a hazy look and a heavy helping of Citra, Mosaic, Amarillo and Nelson Sauvin hops. But the refreshing dryness of a huge tropical fruit flavors in this double IPA are nothing to be afraid of. The only thing that would truly be terrifying is missing out on this frightfully fresh creation. Whew, that's poor. Not really. Ooh, malty aromatics. I love the can art. It's got that spooky Halloween. They really went all out for the Halloween one this year. I mean, it just looks super unfiltered, right? Head's khaki. That's good. Ooh, that's a lot. Very malt forward. A lot of oat. I taste a lot of oat, so there's like this dryness to it. Very good. Malty. Big beer, very easy to drink IPA. It's not as hoppy as I would want it to be. Big IPA like this, yeah, you're gonna get a lot of malt too. But this had a lot of hops in the description. So I'm kind of missing that. It's still a very nice, well-balanced beer, I think. 9.4%, I mean, it's like, wow, this is dangerous to drink. It's a fresh IPA. You can actually taste, as it's not the greatest Enjoy by, it's nowhere near the worst. It's definitely worth a pickup. Check out Stone's latest Enjoy by 10/31/22, guys. It's definitely worth a couple of cans to pick up. Cheers.